हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। ड्यू टू रक्षाबंधन मैं आज मेरे बहन लोग के साथ थोड़ा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कर रही हूँ। ये मेरी बड़ी बहन है तस्नीम और ये मेरी दूसरी बड़ी बहन है मुनीरा। हाय। और मैं इन लोगों से कुछ सवाल करूँगी एंड देखते हैं इन लोग मेरे बारे में कितना जानते हैं। मैंने थोड़े सवाल लिखे हुए हैं। ये लोग अपना अपना सवाल अपने अपने मोबाइल में टाइप करेंगे और मुझे बताएंगे कि राइट आंसर क्या है। उसके बाद मैं बताऊँगी कि राइट आंसर क्या है एंड लेट्स सी हू विन्स। अपना अपना पॉइंट दोनों को याद रखना है। So the first question is, how many cup of tea I need on daily basis? Minimum मतलब maximum नहीं, minimum कितना मुझे चाहिए
मिनिमम ना
minimum
Let's say 8 to 10
3
8 to 10 is not minimum nonsense
ठीक है। तो ये पॉइंट इसको जाता है तस्नीम को, बिकॉज मिनिमम तो 3 चाहिए, ये मैक्सिमम है 8-10। तो ओके, व्हाट वुड आई प्रेफर, माउंटेन और बीचेस? व्हाट यू थिंक?
mountain
बीचेस, ओके।
I'm right.
देखो मेरे को ना माउंटेन पसंद है ना मुझे बीचेस पसंद है, बट इफ आई हैव टू प्रेफर वन इट वुड बी बीचेस।
What? Come along with me on a beach? You idiot. This is wrong.
Okay. The last time I enjoyed peaceful time was,
Which peaceful time?
मतलब ऐसे alone time kind of.
At home, I guess. At home, alone time.
This is rude. What she's typing is rude, and actually it's not right.
Sleeping in the morning. Every day she wakes up at 10, 11. That's peaceful time. What I feel.
No, I think हाँ ठीक है, मतलब दोनों का ही सही है, at home और sleeping, but I think home थोड़ा logical है. So 2-1.
I am the one your son don't need a gun to get res-
Which phone would I prefer? Android or Apple? Everyone knows this.
Apple. Because you have an iPhone.
So I think तस्नीम ने पहले जवाब दिया, though you are right, but she's right. So
मैं
it's
ज़्यादा जानती
2-all. हाँ हाँ.
I won't say anything now.
हाँ.
iPhone users.
It's okay. What would I rather give up on? Coffee or an alcohol? What would I give up? You write the answer, huh? Then you come second and then you say.
Shut up. Coffee.
Yes, they are right. So ये point हम दोनों को देंगे क्योंकि दोनों ने साथ में बोला था. So it's 3-all. What would I prefer? A wedding with no one to congrats, a funeral with no one should be sad for me. It's A
Second.
or B. It's B. My sister knows me so well. B. I love you both. So it's for all.
Next. Quick.
If I would rather be reborn in another body, then what would I prefer? Men, woman, or something not human?
Men. I'm sure it's men.
Woman. He's right. So it's 5 and 4. मुनीरा knows me well यार, मेरे को पता नहीं था. ठीक है. What would I prefer? Win $1 and never find true love, or find true love and always be poor?
B.
I think it's you,
B.
इतना सोच रही है मतलब she knows me but ये she knows me आराम से एकदम. So it's again 5-all. To me, what is love? Dead.
What?
To me, what is love? Dead, complex, everything, confusing, worthwhile.
Confusing. Or what were the options?
It's dead, complex, everything, confusing,
Complex.
worthwhile.
Maybe
these both people are not typing and they're just telling complex yes, though I don't know.
confusing on my end.
Complex.
And they both are wrong.
Dead, worthwhile. Worthless.
It's dead.
Dead. What nonsense.
What I prefer, without internet or without means of transportation. Like what I'm okay with.
Without
Yo, why are you talking, man?
B, I guess, without means of transportation.
Transport.
Because I think you need internet
Without
to
transport.
make TikTok videos and shit.
She's right. Even she's right, but I don't know. She was typing more things.
You
would
yeah,
have done B, yaar.
you told us to write and
अरे,
nonsense.
but A, B
As
में तो
busy
B
writing,
कर ही
no?
सकते हैं ना. Okay, so what was the score by the way?
I am
6, and she's 5.
leading, I think. So.
Yeah, with 6. Would I be rather invisible, fly, or perfectly normal? My mom gave this right answer. I'm expecting them to give it.
What? I don't know.
Invisible fly.
What I rather be, invisible, fly, or perfectly normal?
Perfectly normal.
Can you please type with
C.
A, B, C?
A. Invisible.
It's A is fly, B is invisible, and C is
See, at least I know what options.
B. And you see, they both are wrong. My mom gave it
You
right.
wanna fly?
I want to fly.
I'll throw you out of the window.
Sure. Okay. If I started with a movie, what would I rather like to be? Hero, best friend, sexy stranger, or villain?
Best friend. B, best friend.
Strangers.
Sexy stranger.
It's a
They both are wrong. I would like to be villain.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
See, I thought first villain, but then I thought that she'll not say the truth here on the
No,
camera.
I say truth everywhere.
Okay.
This is me. Now, what would I prefer? Pool or beach?
Pool.
It's pool,
Pool.
or beach.
It's
A or
beach.
B.
It's beach, I think.
I
Because she
think-
never goes inside the pool.
No, but I think it is pool because
It's not pool, you don't know
Because-
yourself. It's beach.
No, I'll tell you because I'm scared of water. I prefer pool because वो छोटा सा होता है. कुछ भी. I'm
She'll
not.
never go inside a beach. No,
हाँ,
I've seen
I'll
that.
never go.
She'll not go inside the beach, but she likes beach areas.
But then, forward.
Okay, let's go.
Do I believe in the idea of true love?
Yes or no?
No.
Yes or no, please?
No.
Can you please type?
Yes.
So I think Munira is right. I don't believe in true.
There is no true love.
So it's 7 all because before this you told me.
Get some good questions. Yeah?
What would I do if I get $100? Okay. Will I save it? A.
No.
B. Spend it extravagantly. Spend it for family or eat at fancy restaurant. It's
You would
A.
spend B.
I don't know. I don't understand the question. Repeat it. I was thinking something else.
Okay.
You will not spend it for family. I know that.
What would I do if I
What is
get
the right
$100?
answer?
को जरा सबर करो बोला धक्का बुक्की नहीं करने का आराम से लेने का
Let her know the question. She was in her
Okay.
own dream. What would I do if I get $100? Save it, spend it for family or eat at fancy restaurant.
Spend it, B.
She knows the answer, but she has
The
given
first
so
one,
because she is
yeah.
in her own world. It's okay. It's 8 and 7. What would make me most happy? More sleep, less work, more time with friends and family, traveling somewhere away from home, more wealth.
इतने सारे ऑप्शन हैं. Give me some time. Don't reveal the answer, Munira. Just shut your mouth and sit.
क्या था?
Okay, fine. Again. What would make me most happy? More sleep, less work,
I got.
more time with friends and family, traveling somewhere away from home, or more wealth.
It's less work because she don't like to work.
It is either C,
It's a fact,
that
she
is
don't like
spending
to work.
more time with friends and family, or else that traveling वाला option was there. No. अब ये दोनों में से कुछ एक.
Less work.
Okay, so my mom gave it the right answer again.
Sleeping.
It's
Don't tell me it's
It's traveling somewhere.
See,
away
I
from
told you it is there in the
But you
option.
could be
okay?
confident on it.
No, I was not sure between two things. No. This point I'll get right.
Yes. So what's the score?
9,
9 and
7.
8. Okay, 7. You're lacking behind now. Come on, I'm giving you the right answer now. Which option would I prefer relaxing home at night? Movies or reading books?
Movies, of course. She doesn't know to read books. She doesn't like
Are they-
movies, and neither she likes to read books.
Yes, she's right.
But then option में
But yes, again, she's right.
So movies is right answer. I don't think.
Okay, so I don't like reading books, nor I like movies. But ठीक है, तो दोनों में से कुछ एक select करना है तो it would be movie.
But I am right. कोई select करना ही नहीं है.
पर ऑप्शन में है
है
ना.
ही नहीं वो दोनों तो.
ये दोनों लड़ रही है ना.
चलो.
She's 10 and she's 7. You can at least type fast, no A, B, C, something because you know the answer, but you're not. How much you think you want?
And don't say the answer. You have to type it, okay? Only otherwise you're disqualified next time.
Okay, fine. Now next. What would I rather have? Dog, cat, or neither? A, B, or C? A is dog, B is cat, C is neither. I
C.
think. I don't know. I think she is a slow typer, I guess. 11 and 7. Which movie I prefer? There are only 4 questions left. Please, come on.
I'm going to not win. I'm not going to win.
Already right.
Which movie I prefer? Romantic, horror, comedy, or action?
Romantic.
Romantic. Hey, you don't have to reveal the answers. You have to write it down. This is
Romantic.
cheating. See, I wrote few movies also that you like. जब भी met कभी खुशी कभी कभी I was writing the name of the movies.
That made you go late.
But
It's
then
okay.
she's
Okay, fine. Okay, she has.
You
You
don't
have
have
1 point, yeah. You are 10
You
now.
have to write the answer, but why are you saying it?
You have to just write A, B, or C.
Cheating.
Only a second. Okay. Anyways, so she is right. So it's 8 and 10. 10, right? Which is more important to me? Love or money?
Love.
Money. I mean money.
Love.
What is that? Okay, she's right. She was like A is love. Okay.
9 and 10. 1 to go.
What would I rather live without? Internet or cell phone?
Internet.
Cell phone.
Internet.
Music.
I'm sorry.
Internet. Cell phone is required.
She's right with 11 and 9. Question is, this is the one wish that creates the perfect life for me. Unlimited snacks, to be best at everything, finding true love. B. Nothing. I'm still
C. True love. Finding.
और भी option हो.
मतलब इनको घाई देखिए.
Say it fast, bro.
Okay, so first was unlimited snacks. Second was to be best at everything, finding true love, and nothing. I'm already perfect.
I think D. She's already perfect. She don't require anything. She don't need anything. So it's D.
Why you say the answer? I'm not going to tell you only.
Okay, it's 10 and 11. One last question. It can be a tie or else she win. So let's say.
Waiting.
Yeah. What are the top must-haves in a partner for me? The person is someone I can trust and be confident at. Treats me with respect. Share the same values as I do. And it's comfortable communicating what I want, need, and my
I
desire.
think every
A,
girl needs respect, so it's B. Treat with respect.
What was A option?
She don't know the A option and she's just saying it's A.
Maybe I remember A was the first one which I felt was right. Maybe trust and loyalty or something.
And my mummy is booming up in my video.
What is
It's
the
okay,
answer?
mama. So the answer is yes, respect. So we have a tie. सो ये दोनों मुझे बहुत इक्वली जानती है. आई थिंक ये मुझे ज़्यादा जानती है बिकॉज इसको आंसर्स पता था बट शी वॉज नॉट एबल टू टाइप इट. सो आई एम हैप्पी बोथ माई सिस्टर्स नोज मी. सो अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा तो यार बोलो अभी, तुम लोग सब्सक्राइब करने बोल दो यार.
Subscribe, like and share.
Thank you. See you all. I hope you like my sisters and me. Take care.